Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is auspicious Dasapapahara Dasami. On this occasion, this is my try to read out Valmiki Ramayanam, Balakanda, Sarga 38 onwards till 44 as Parayana. In between, I will give some explanation in English, but otherwise it is purely a reading from Parayana. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Dasapapahara Dasami, 38th Sarga, 37th Sarga. So we'll have to go to Sagara, 38th Sarga. 38th Sarga onwards. Tam Katham Kausiko Rame Nivedya Kusikatmajaha Punareva Param Vakyam Kakustham Idamabravit. So Gadhi Sutudainatumanti Vishwamitra is, after explaining the Kumaraswami's birth, everything to Sri Rama. The context is Rama is going with Vishwamitra and they are going along, and Rama is asking several questions to Vishwamitra, and Vishwamitra explaining the ancient narrations of how things have happened. So that is how Guru Sussurusha is being done by Sri Ramachandramurti as they move forward. So this is Sagara Chakravarti's narration is starting. Ayodhyadhivati suraha purvamasinna rathapaha sagaro nama dharmatma praja kamas sacha prajaha. So Sagara Maharshi is not having children. He is also Ikshvaku Vamsa Prabhu. So he is also from Rama's Vamsha only. So Purva Vamsa Charitra is being explained by Guru Vishwamitra to Rama. Vaidharpa Duhita Rama Kesini Nama Namataha Jeshtha Sagarapatni Sa Dharmishta Satyavadini. So from Vidarbha kingdom, the Kesini is her name. She is the first wife of Sagara Chakravarti. Jeshtha Sagarapatni Sa Dharmishta Satyavadini. Arishthanemi Duhita Bhupena Pritima Bhuvi. Dvitiya Sagarasyasit Patni Sumati Sangita. Second wife Sumati, daughter of Arishthanemi, is the second wife. Tabhyam Saha Tato Raja Patni Bhyam Taptavam Tapaha Himavantam Samasadya Bhrugu Prasravane Girau. So he has gone to him, not having kids, he has gone with both his wives into the Hima Parvata, and he started doing the tapas. Adha Varsha Sete Purne Tapasar Adhito Munihi. He is doing tapas towards the Bhrugu Maharshi. Sagarayam Varam Prasad Bhrugus Satyavatam Varaha Apatyalabhas Sumahan Bhavishyati Tavanagha Kirtinja Pratimam Loke Prapyase Purusharshabha Eka Janaita Tata Putram Vasakaram Tava Pushtim Sashtim Putra Sahasrani Aparajanayishyati. So Bhrugu Maharshi, after 100 years of tapas, has given a vara saying that of these two wives, one wife will give the progeny of which will take it forward through the generations. Other wife will give 60,000 very powerful kids. Bhashamanam Mahatmanam Rajaputro Prasadyatam Uchutuh Paramaprite Kritanjalipute Tada Ekah Kasyas Suto Brahman Kabahun Janayishyati Srotumichamahe Brahman Satyamastu Vachastava Tayo Tadvachanam Srutva Bhagus Paramadharmikaha Uvacha Pramam Vanim Swachandotra Vithiyatam Yego Vasankaro Vastu Bahavo Va Mahabalaha Kirtimanto Mahotsaho Kavakam Varamichati. So then both the wives have asked Bhrugu Maharshi which one will give birth to one kid, one son who is going to continue the progeny and who will get 60,000 sons. Munestu vachanam srustva kesini raghunandana. So Muni has said, I will give the option to you, you choose among yourself. Munestu vachanam srutva kesini raghunandana putram vasankaran rama jagraha nrupasannidhau षष्टिं पुत्रसहस्राणि सुपर्णभगिनी तथा महोत्साहान् कीर्तिमतो जग्राह सुमतिः सुतान् Suparna so Garutmanta's sister Sumati selected the 60,000 some option, and the other Kesini has selected, the first Bharya has selected the one son option. Pradakshanam Rishim Krutva Sirasabhi Pranamya cha Jagamap Swapuram Raja Swabharyo Raghunandana. So Rama then Pradakshanam Krutva to this Rishi, the king and both wives went back to their places. Adhakale gate tasmin jeshta putram yajayata asamanja iti khyatam Kesini Sagaratmajam. So Kesini has given birth to a son called Asamanja. Sumatistu naravyaghra garbhatumbham yajayata pushtisputra sashthiputra sahasrani tumba bhedad dvinisrutaha ghutapurneshu kumbheshu dhyatriyastan samavardhayan kalena mahata sarve yavvanam pratipedite adhadirghena kalena rupa yavvanasalinaha sashtiputra sahasrani sagarasya bhavam stadam. So in the passage of time, Kesini has given birth to a kid. He came to be known as Asamanja, and the other Sumati has given birth to a fertilized egg which has been divided into 60,000 parts and has been put into the kumbhas, into the test tubes probably. So they have 60,000 kids were born with lot of power and valor. Such a Jeshto Narasreshta Sagara Chatma Sambhavaha, the Sagara's son, the Jeshta, first one, Balan Gruhita tu Jale Saraya Raghunandanaha Prachikshapraha San Nityam Majjatastan Nirikshevai. So the Asamanja has started doing some very very inappropriate act of taking the kids and putting them in the Sarayu Nadi, and he will laugh when they are drowning. So this act has created a lot of trouble. So he has been banished from the Raja. Tasya putro Amsuman. So his son is Amshuman, who is a very Nama Asamanjasya Viryavan Sammatah Sarvalokasya Sarvasyasya Priyam Vadaha. So the grandson of Sagara, Amshuman, has been accepted by everyone in the world as the leader. Tatha Kalena Mahata Matis Samabhijayataha Sagarasya Narasreshta Yajetamiti Nischata. As time passed, Sagara wanted to perform a yajna. Nischita Sakrutva Nischayam Rama Sopadhyayaganastadha Yajnakarmani Vedagno Yashtum Samupakchakrame. Then he appointed those people who can perform the yajna to do the yajna. Yajnakarmani Vedagnya Yashtum Samupachakrame. He has initiated the yajna. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Ashtatrimsha Sargaha. This brings us to the end of 38th Sarga. So Sagara has given birth to kids, and then he started a yajna. 39th Sarga. Viswamitra vachasrutva kathante raghunandanaha uvacha paramaprito munim diyuttamivaanalam srotumichhami bhadrante vistrena kadhamimam purvakome katham brahma yajnam vai samupa harat. So Rama is asking. So this is how the whole of the instruction process in the Sanatana Dharma happens. Vishwamitra has started narration. He stops at an event, looks for how interested Rama is to listen. So Rama is asking, O Mahatma, Srotumichhami, I wanted to understand this thing. Bhadrante vistarena kadhamimam. In detail, can you explain what has happened here? Purvako It was one of my ancestor, Sagara. So what has happened? Please tell me. So Rama is our Sakshat Narayana Avatara. Everything he knows. His blueprint only being executed here. Will he not know? He knows. But still Guru Swarupa, Guru Vishwamitra tells that. That comes here. Vishwamitrastu Kakustha Vavacha Prahasanniva. Like a with a prahasa, with a smile in the face. Sruyatam Vistaro Rama Sagarasya Mahatmanaha. So he said, I will teach you, I will tell you what has happened. Prahasanniva. Sarvajna Rama is asking the question. Sarvajna Vishwamitra knows that it is for our benefit this narration is being told. So we need to understand what has happened. For that purpose this has come. So this is Agama. So it came out of Vishwamitra Maharshi's Vachanam and asked by Rama. Sankara Swasuro Nama Himavan Achalottamaha. Sankara Swasura, the father-in-law of Sankara, Himavan, Himavanta, Himalaya, the Parvata. Achalottamaha Vindhya Parvatama Asadhya Nirikshate Parasparam. He is opposite to the Vindhya Parvata on the other side in the Vindhya. So Nirikshate Parasparam, so they are very high, both sides. Payor Madhye Prasruto Bhut Yajnasah Purushottamaha Sahi Deso Naravyaghra Prasasto Yajnakarmani. So between these two mountains, whatever is place is there, that is the best place to do the Yajnakarma. Tasyasvacharyam Kakustha Drudhanya Maharadhaha Amshuman Akarot Tata Sagarasya Mate Sthitaha Tasya Sarvanitam Yajnam Yajamanasya Vasavaha Rakshasim Tanumasthaya Yagniya Ashwam Upaharat. So the yajna has started in between these two places, which is known as Aryavartam. So between Himalaya and Vindhyachala Himalaya Madhya Pradesh. So Yajna Ashwa has been Rakshasim Tanumasritya. Indra taking up a Rakshasa Tanu took away this yajna. Whoever stops any yajna's proceeding is Rakshasi Tanumasritya. So any intention to stop a universal well-being, yajna which is being performed for universal well-being, is Rakshasa Vritti. So Indra only, he took up a Rakshasa Vritti and this is a kind of a process in the game. It started. That has happened. Tasya sarvanitam yajnam yajnamanasya vasavah rakshasim hiryamane tu kakustha tasmin nasve mahatmanaha upadhyaya gana sarve yajamana matha pravan. So all the people who are conducting the yajna, they have advised yajamani ayam parvani vegena yajni asyopaniyate hartaram jahi kakustha hayaschaivopaniyataam. O kakustha, Kakusthavamsa, Ikshvakuvamsa Prabha, Sagara, you have to bring back this yajnasva and perform this yajna. That is what they have instructed him in that situation. Yajna chidram bhavatyetat sarvesham asevaya naha tattatha kriyatam rajan yadha chidrak kratur bhavet. So somehow if we stop this yajna in between, this is asivam, not inauspicious to all of us. So you bring it back. Upadhyaya vacha srutva tasmin vatasi parthivaha Sashtim putra sahasrani vakyametaduvachaha. So he called his 60,000 sons and told, Gatim putra napashyami rakshasam purusharshabha mandrabhotair mahabhagaira stito hi mahakratuhu tadgachhatra vinichhadvam putraka bhadramastuvaha samudramalinim sarvam prudhivim anugachata ekayojanam putra vistaram adhigachatha yavasturga sandarsya tavat khnatameedinim tanchaiva haya hartaram margamana mamajnaya dikshita pautra sahitaha sopadhyayagano hyeham ihastasyami bhadram no yavat turagadarsanam ityuktava hrushtamanaso rajaputra mahabalaha Jugmur Mahitalam Rama Pitur Vachana Yantritaha. So he called 60,000 sons and asked, you go search everywhere. If you don't find anything in the on the earth, you dig underneath the earth. find the Yajnashva and bring. This is what he has said. So these most powerful people, 60,000 people started searching. They didn't find anything on the earth. Then Yojana Ojananayam Vistaram Yekaiko Dharnitalam Bhivadhut Purusha Vyaghra Vajra Sparsya Samair Nakhaihi, with their Vajrat. They have diamond equivalent nakhas. Nakhas are the fingernails that they started digging. The Sulai, Reniclaischaya, Hlaischa, the Sudarunai, they have taken all these different instruments to dig the earth moving equipment. They started digging the earth. Bhidyamana Osmati Sanadara Gunandanaha, Naganam, Madhyasunanam, Osurenanchara Ghavaha. So people who the life underneath the earth started becoming very agitated because of this digging process. Aksharasanam Siddhurushaha Satvanam Vinado Bhavat Yojananam Sahasrani Sashtintu Raghunandanaha. So 60,000 yojanas, they have each one of them, one yojana they dug, and very deeply. Bhipati Dhrinim Viram Rasatalam Anuttamam. So they reached all the way to Rasatalam. Yevam Parvata Sanbadham Jambudvipam Drupatmaja Khananto Narasardula Sarvatha Parichakrumu Tato Devasanga Sagandharva Sanusaraha Pannagaha Sambhrata Manasaha Sarve Pitamahum Pagaman. So they all these multiple other living other beings of existence, Gandharvas, Yakshas, all these people, they have gone to the Brahma. Te prasadya mahatmanam vishannavasanastada uchu paramasantrasta pitama apagaman bhagavan prithvi sarva khanyatena sagaratmajai bhavascha mahatmano hanyante talavasinaha ayam hyajnakarosmakam anesnas nyopariviyate iti te sarva bhutani nighranti sagaratmajaha. So sagaratmajas, all the sons of Sagara, are creating a lot of trouble to all the bhutani, all the beings underneath. Thus we ended Ityarshe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Balakande Ekonaschattvarim Sarga. 39th Sarga comes to an end here. Start the 40th Sarga, Kapila Maharshi's Kopa. Devanam Vachasrutva Bhagavam Vai Pitamaha Pratyavata Susantrasthan Krutanta Balamohitan Yem Vasuda Krusma Vasudevasya Dhimataha Kapilam Rupamasthaya Dharayatyani Samdharam Tasya Kopagnina Dagdha Bhavishyantin Rupatmaja. So Brahma, looking into the future, he said, okay, this digging of the earth will be stopped by the Vishnu, who has taken the form of Kapila Maharshi and sitting underneath there. So this process will stop soon. That's what Brahma has said to the Devatas. Prithivyaschasi nirbhedo drashtayeva sanatanaha sagarasya japtranam vinasho dirghajivinam pitamah vachasrutvaha trayastindardinindamaha devah parama samhrushtaha punarjagmur yathagatam. So Devas have gone back listening to this. Tato bhitva mahim sarve krutyachapicha pradakshinam sahida Sagara Sarve Pitaram Vakyam Abbravan Parikranta Mahisarva Satta Sanchasta Sudidaha Devadanavarkshamsi Sachoragakan Pinnaraha Nachapasyamaheshwam Tom Asya Hartaha Mehacha Kim Karishyama Bhadrante Buddhiratra Vicharkyatam Tesham Tadvajanam Shrutva Putranam Rajastamaha Samasyura Bravid Vyakyam Sagaro Raghunandanaha Huyas Khanatas Bhadranto Nirbhitya Vasudhatalam Asya Hartara Masatya Kutan Dhasya Vivarthataha. So they have gone back, they have also gone back without finding any Aswa. Even after digging all these things, they went back to Sagara and said, we even dug up whole the earth, but we couldn't find the Aswa. Then again Sagara said, again you go back and dig, you will find it. Definitely this Yajnashva has been hidden underneath the earth. So bring that back to me. So we have to complete this Yajna. पितुर्वचनमासाद्य सगरस्य महात्मनः षष्टिपुत्रसहस्राणि रसादलमभिद्रवन् खन्यमाने तस्मिन् पर्वतोपमं दिस्या गजं विरूपाक्षं धारयन्तं महीतलं. So they have reached a Virupaksha big the four elephants that carry the four elephants in all four directions that carry the load of this whole universe have been reached. Virupaksha Mahagajaha, that is known as the great elephant Virupaksha. Yada sarvani kakusta visvamartham mahajagaha khedacchalayet sirsham bhumikampastada bhavet tante pradakshanam krutva dishapalam mahajagam यान मानयन्तो हि रामा जुग्मुर्भित्वा रसातलं ततः पूर्वां दिशं भित्वा दक्षिणां बिभदुः पुनः दक्षिणस्यामपि दिशे दुदृशे महाजगं गजं. So the Dakshina they went all the way to the end of south. So that is what is south. South is the end of south. शिरसाधारयन्ते विस्मयं जिगुरुं ततः प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा सगरस्य महात्मनः षष्टिपुत्रसहस्राणि पश्चिमां बिभुदेद्धुसिं. So they started going to the west and started digging. पश्चिमायदपि दिशिं महान्तमचलोपमं दिशागजं सौमनसं ददृशुस्ते महाबलाः. Then they have went to the disagajam, the western elephant, the Saumanasam, Dudrusaste Mahadara, Saumanasam, its name is Saumanasa, they reached that. Tante Pradakshanam Krutva, Prushta Chapi Niramayam, Kananta Samapukranta, Disam Hayamavatim Tataha. So they have reached the Bhadram, the Uttara Disa, then in the north direction, Bhadram. That also Uttarasyam Haimavatim Tataha, Uttarasyam Raghusreshta, the Drusyu Rama Pandaram Bhadram Bhadrena Vapusha Dharayantim Mahivatim. So Haimavatim, then Bhadram. So the Uttara Disa Samalabhya Tata Sarve Krutva Chainam Pradakshunam षष्टिपुत्रसहस्राणि बिभधुर्वसुधातलं ततः प्रागुत्तरां गत्वा सागरा प्रथितां दिशं रोषयत्याख्यं सर्वे पृथिवीं जगरात्मजाम्. So Prithvi has been on all directions, has been dug completely. The whole ocean has been te tu sarve mahatmano bhima vega mahabala dadrusu kapilam datram vasudevam sanatanam hayancha tasya devasya chantaram avidhudataha. So then they found Isanya direction. They went into the Isanya, is the northeast direction. Then they started digging there. In the northeast direction, underneath the earth, Rasatala, they found the Kapila Maharshi, Kapila Mahamuni sitting there and doing his tapas. Te tam haya haram jnatva. They thought he only, there they have found a Yajnashva there, which has been put by Indra there, and these people tasmagantu hituragam yajniyam hrutavanapi durmedhastvam hi sampraptan vidhis sagaratmajan. So sagaratmajas, with a lot of younger, they charged towards Kapila Maharshi. Surtvatu vachanam tesham kapilo raghunandanaha roshena mahata vishto hunkara makarotadam. So Sagara Maharshi got disturbed, Kapila Maharshi disturbed by this, all this Kolahalam, what is happening, 60,000 people charging towards him. He opened his eyes and Roshena Mahata Vishto Hunkara Makarottada. He made a Hunkara, Hum Shabda, Hunkara Makarottada. Tatastena Prameyena Kapilena Mahatmana Bhasmarasi Kruta Sarve Katustasagaratmaja. So with that one Hunkara, all the 60,000 sons of Sagara have become piles of ash. Bhasmarasi. So that is the power of Maharshi Kapila, who is doing his tapas, disturbing such a Kapila Maharshi. Inadvertently, he made a Hunkara. In that Hunkara, 60,000 Sagaraputras have been made into ashes. So, Ityashe Srimad Ramayane Valmiki Adikavye Balakande Chatvarinchas Sargaha. So, 40th Sarga, we come to the end of 40th Sarga. 41st Sarga. Amshumanta is going to bring. So Yajnasva has still not been brought. Yajnasva has been seen by Sagaraputras. So it is Yajnasva is still there. Putrans Chiragatan Jnatva Sagaro Raghunandanaha Naptaram Abravid Raja Dipyamanam Swatejasam. So now he called Sagara called his Naptare. Naptare is grandson. Amshumantam. Surascha Krota Vidyascha Purvais Tulyopi Tejasa Pitrunam Gatimannischa Yenas Chashnopapahitaha. So Ashwa Apahitaha. So Ashwa which has been gone, you have to find and bring it. So your uncles who have gone there have not returned. So Antarbhaumani Satvani Viryavanti Mahanticha Tesham Tvam Pratighatartham Sasim Vrushneshwakarmukam. So what happened to them we don't know. Underneath the earth there are very powerful beings are there. So you take all that what is needed to win over them and bring the Ashwa back. That is what Sagara said to Amshuman. Abhivadya Abhivadastvam Hatva Vignakaranasbi Siddharthasan Nivartasya Yamajnasya Sagaraha Mama Yajnasya Sagaraha. So Amshuman has Shastrokta. As per Shastra, he has prayed to the Ganesha, Vignapati, and started his campaign to bring this. Eva Muktom Shuman Samyak Sagarena Mahatmana Dhanuradaya Khadgancha Jagama Laghu Vikramaha. He has taken all his weapons. Sakatam Pitru Hirmargat Antarbhavumam Mahatmabhi Prasadach Naraschesha Tena Rajnya Bhichoditaha Daitya Danavarakshobhi Pisacha Patagoragaihi Pujamanam Mahateja Disagaja Apasyataha. So he has worshipped all the different bhutas around, worshipping them. He has reached Disajagam. So same gajas, same Diggajas. Diggajas is the elephants covering on the four directions. Sattam Pradakshinam Krutva Prushtascha Asiniramayam Pitruncha Pariprapacha Vaji Hartaram. So he asked all of them, where is the Yajnasva? Who has taken it away? Where it is? His mission is to find the Yajnasva, nothing more. Disha gajastu tachrutva pratyaham sumato vachaha asamanjah krutardhastvam sahasya sri grameshwasi. So Amshumanta, who is son of Asamanja, you will soon find them. So that is there. Tasya tadvachanam satva. So they have given an asirvachanam to him, saying you will soon find them. Tasya tadvachanam satva sarvaneva disagajan yadhakramam yadhanyayam prashtum samupasachane. Yadhakramam, as in this right directions, yadhanyayam, how the Shastra has done, he has done the pradakshina to them. And he moved. Taschai sarva diksha apalai yajnair vakyako vidaihi pujitas sahashaivascha Gatam Sityabhichoditaha Tesham Tadvajanam Sutra Jagama Laghu Vikramaha Bhasmarasi Krutayatra Piturstasya Sagaraha Sadukha Vashamapannaha. Then he has gone in the direction, then found 60,000 piles of ashes. Such a Dukha Samapanna Hangat Chukro Pramartadha Tesham Sudukhitaha Yajniyamcha Hayam Tatra Charantam Avidurataha Dadarsya Purushavyakro Dukha Soka Samanvitaha Satesham Rajapranam Kartrukamo Jalakriyam Salilarthi Mahateja Nachapasyat Jalasayam. So he tried finding water source there to do the tarpanas to those 60,000 Pitaras, means forefathers. Father's Day, Forefathers Day. Satesham Rajaputranam Kartruamam Jalakriyam Salilarthi Mahateja Na Apasyat. He has not seen Jalasayam. Visarya Nipunam Drushtim Tato Apasyat Khagadhipam Pitrunam Matulam Rama Suparnam Anilopamam. So Matulam, the uncle of the Pitrus, which is Sumati's brother, who is Khagam, the king of birds. Vistare Nipunanda Khagaadhipam Pitrunam Matulam Rama Suparnam the Garutmanta Anilopamam Sachaiva Bravidvyakyam Vainateya Mahabalaha Masucha Purushavyagra Vadhoyam Lokasammataha Kapile Na Prameyena Daktha Hime Mahabalaha Salilam Narhasi Prajna Datumesham Hilaukikam. So because they have been burnt in the Kopagni of Kapila, they are not allowed to have the normal water to that. Ganga Himato Jeshta Duhita Purusharbhashabhaha. Ganga is there. Himavato Jeshta Duhita. Himavan's Jeshta first daughter Ganga. Himavato Jeshta Duhita Purusharbhatasyam Guru Mahabaho Pitrunam Tujala Kriyam. So you have to do in the Ganga waters your Pitrus Jalakriya. Bhasmarasi Krutanyetan Plavayel Lokapavani Taya Klinamidam Bhasma Gangaya Lokaikantaya Sashtim Putra Sahasrani Swargalokam Naishyati Gachachaswam Mahabhaga Tam Gruhya Bhrusharshabha Yajnam Paitamaham Veera Samvartayutumarhasi Suparnavachanam Trutsutva Som Suman Ativirtyavan Tvaritam Hayamadaya Punarayan Mahayasah. So listening to this, so you has to bring that waters of Ganga only. No other water will work for this Kriya. With that knowledge given by Garutmanta, he has taken the Yajnasva and brought it back. Tato Yajna Rajana Masatya Dikshitam Raghunandanaha. So the Raja is still in Diksha. So Raja Sagara is still in the Yajna Diksha. So bring this to get this thing back. So Dikshitam Raghunandanaha Nyaveda Yathavrutam Suparnavachanam Tadha. So all this he has narrated. Suparnavachanam. So what Garutmanta has told also has been told to Nrupa. Tachrutva Ghora Sankasam Vakyam Amsumaton Nrupaha Yajnam Nirvartayamasa Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi. Yatha Kalpam Yatha Vidhi. As per the Kalpa, as per the Vidhi, Yajnam has been completed. Swapuram Chagamachiman Swapuram Chagamah Sriman Ishtayajyo Mahipati Gangayas Raja Nischayam Nathyagatchataha Akrutya Nischayam Raja Kalena Mahata Mahan Trimsat Varsha Sahasrani Rajyam Krutva Divangataha. So Sagara Maharaja, having 30,000 years Paripalana, done the kingdom, taking care of the kingdom, but he couldn't get the Ganga. He has no idea how to bring the Ganga. With that, Akrutya Nischayam Raja, not being able to fulfill that wish, he has Divangataha, he has left the body and gone. Ityarshe Srimad Ramayana Adikavya Balakande Ekaschatvarimshat Sargaham. Come to the 41st Sarga end. Kaladharmangate Rama Sagare Prakriti Janah Rajanam Rochayamasu Amsumantam Sudharmikam. Amsumanta has, all the people have elected Amsumanta again to be the king. Saraja Sumhasinat Amsuman Raghunandanaha Tasya Putro Mahasnasit Dilipa iti Vishrutaha. His son is known as Dilipa Chakravarti iti Vishrutaha. Tasmin Rajyan Samavesya Dilipe Raghunandanaha Himavachikare Punye Tapastapye Sudarunam. So Dilipa went to Himavat Parvata. He has given the Raja to Dilipa, went to Himavat Parvata, and he has Himavat Chikare Punya Tapastapye Sudarunam. Daruna tapas, very austerity he has taken, a long tapas. Dvatrintyascha Sahasrani Varshani Sumhayasaha Tapovanangato Raja Swargan Lebhe Tapodhanaham. So 32,000 years of tapas didn't work. So without getting Ganga, he has left his body. Dilipastu Mahateja Srutva Paitamaham Batham Dukhopathaya Buddhya Nischayam Nathyagatchataha Katham Gangavadaranam Katham Tesham Jalakriya Tarayeyam Katham Chaivat Iti Chintabaro Bhavat. Dilipa has thought a lot about how to bring the Ganga. Tasya Chintayato Nityam Dharmena Viditatmana Putro Bhagirado Nama Jigne Paramadharmikaha. In this thinking, he has got a son named Bhagiratha. दिलीपस्तु महाचेजा यज्ञै बहु रभिष्टवान् 30 वर्षसहस्राणि राज्यमकारयत्. दिलीप महाराज 30,000 years he also ran the Rajya. अगत्वानिश्चयन् राजा तेषाम् उद्धरणं प्रति व्याधिना नरसार्धूलाकारधर्मम् उपेयमान्. By ill health, vyadhi, he has also passed away without being able to bring the Ganga. Dileepa Chakravarti. Agatyanischayan raja tesham uddharanam prati vyadhina narsathula indralokam gato raja swajitena iva karmana rajne bhagiratham putram abhishicya nararshabham. So, Bhagirathastu rajarshi dharmiko raghunandanaha anapatyo mahateja prajakamahcha chaprajaha मंत्रिष्वाधाय तद्राज्यं गंगावतरणे रतः स तपो दीर्घमातिष्ठत् ग्रोखो कर्णे रघुनंदनः. So Bhagiratha has not got children. So for the sake of children, to send the Pitrus who have been lying down there without the water, क्रिया ऊर्ध्वबाहुः पंचतपा महा असाहारो मासाहारो जितेन्द्रियः तस्य वर्षसहस्राणि घोरे तपसि तिष्ठतः. So he went to Gokarna Kshetra, only putting his hands up. ऊर्ध्वबाहुः पंचतपा पंचाग्निस् मासाहारो जितेन्द्रियः. So he has eaten once in a masa, once in a month. Masaharo, Jitendriya, conquered his indriyas. Tasya varsha sahasrani ghore tapasi tishtataha. Ghora tapasi has performed for 1,000 years. Atitani mahabaho tasya rajnyo mahatmanaha suprito bhagavan brahma. He has done tapas towards Brahma. भगवन् ब्रह्मा प्रजानां पतिरीश्वरः ततः सुरगणैः सार्धम् उपागम्य पितामह भगीरथं महात्मानं तप्यमानाथ ब्रवीत्. भगीरथ महाभागा पीडितस्तेहं जिनेश्वरः तपसा च सुतप्तेन पर वरं वरय सुव्रतः. So he having appeared in front of Bhagiratha, Brahma said, okay, your tapas is now fruitified, so you take your varam. यदि मे भगवन् प्रीतो यद्यस्ति तपसः फलं सगरस्यात्मजाः सर्वे मत्तः सलिलमाप्नुयुः. गंगायाः सलिलकिन्ने भस्मन्येषां महात्मनां स्वर्गं गच्छेयरत्यन्तं सर्वे मे प्रपितामहाः. So he has asked for leaving Ganga from Devaloka to come on to the earth. Brahma. So he is after 1,000 years, this varam has been got. Gangaya salilaklinne bhasme shyenyam mahatmanam. So my forefathers who have been waiting there for the Ganga waters, you grant them those Ganga waters. Deya cha santatit deva navasidat kulam chanaha ikshvakunam kule deva yeshame stu varah paraha. So the second vara I am asking. The first vara is to get the Ganga. Second vara is my Ikshvaku Vamsa has to continue. I have to get kids, sons. So, Santati, second vara, you give me Santati. So, these two varas. Ukta Vakyam tu Rajanam. So, always this life is to connect the Pitrus to the Putras. So, that is what he has. Dharmika varas have been. Ukta Vakyam tu Rajanam Sarvaloka Pitamaha Prityuvacha Subhambani Madhuram Madhuraksharam Manoratho Mahanesha Bhagiratha Maharatha एवं भवतु भद्रन्ते इक्ष्वाकु कुलवर्धनः इवं हैमवतीं गंगां ज्येष्ठा हिमवतः सुताः तां वै धारयितुं शक्तो हरस्तत्र नियुज्यताम्. So yes, all both your varas have been granted, but you have to get one more thing sorted. So somebody who can bear Ganga. Niyujyatam, you appoint somebody to bear Ganga, to bring her to earth. Gangayaha patanam rajan prithvi nasahishyati. Earth can't keep Ganga. Prithvi nasahishyati. Prithvi will not be able to bear Ganga. ताम वै धारयितुं वीरा नान्यं पश्यामि शूलिनः. There is no other than Shankara. शूलिनः, who शूली. तमेव मुक्त्वा राजानं गंगाचाभाष्यलोककृत् जगाम त्रिदिनं देवः सह देवै मरुद्गणैः. So this is my vara. He has given his vara and he has gone back. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 24 सर्गः 24 सर्गः 42 सर्ग. We came to the end of 42nd sarga. 43rd sarga, this is the Gangavatarana sarga. देवदेवे गते तस्मिन् सोङ्गुष्ठाग्रनिपीडितां कृत्वा वसुमतीं रामा संवत्सरमुपासता. For 1 year, only standing on the toes, he has done tīvra tapas for Ishvara. ऊर्ध्वबाहुर निरालंबो वायुभक्षो निराश्रयः, only eating air, निराश्रयः अचलः स्थाणुवत् स्थित्वा रात्रिं दिवमरिन्दम, nights and days, no gap, continuous 1 year tapas. अद संवत्सरे पूर्णे सर्वलोक नमस्कृतः उमापति पशुपति राजानां यदमत् ब्रवीत्. After completing 1 year of tapas, उमापतिः पशुपतिः idam abravit, he came forward and told like them. Pretasteham narasreshta karishyami tava priyam sirasa dharayishyami saila rajasutamaham. So I will hold her on my head. I will give you. So the varam is already been asked. Is known why he is doing tapas. Brahma has instructed to bring Maheshwara. So tato haimavati jveshta haimavati jyeshtha. Jyeshtamasa, in the Jyeshtamasa, Jyeshta Sarvaloka Namaskruta Tada Sati Mahadrupam Krutva Vegancha Dussaham Akasada Patatrama Sive Siras Nyutaha. So she jumped, she fell, so everything is arranged. Achinta Yacha Sadevi Gangam Paramadutthara Vishwamyaham Hipatalam Srotasa Grihya Sankaram. She thought, I will wash this fellow away all the way to Pathala, straight away. I will wash this fellow. Tasyapalepanam jnatva. So this has been apalepanam. This pride, garva. Apalepanam jnatva, having known, kruddhastu bhagavan haraha. Hara got angry. Okay. Tiro bhavayatum buddhim chakre trinayanastadha. So he wanted to play a small game with her. Satasmin patita punya punye rudrasya murdhanihi himavat pratime rama jatamandala gahvare sakadhanchin mahim gantum nasiknodhyatnamasthita naiva nirgamanam lebhe jatamandala mohita. He took his jatamandala and bound her in her. She wasn't aware how to come out of it. She got stuck there. Tatraivam Bhadramad Devi Samvatsaraganan Bahun. Several years have passed. Samvatsaraganan Bahun passed. Tamu Pasyan Punastatra Tapha Paramamastitaha. So again, Bhagiratha has problem. Bhagiratha has a problem. He has to get that water. Anena Toshitas Atyartham Raghunandanaha Visarjata Tato Gangam Haro Bindusarah Pratihi. Then he has again did a prarthana to Shiva. You leave her, a little bit of her in some place. Bindu Saraha, that is the Bindu Saraha, 1 drop of it, that's what it says. Bindu Saraha Pratihi. So Bindu Sarovara, so that is the Manasa Sarovaram. He left the Bindu Sarovara, Manasa Sarovaram, a little bit of water. Tasyam Visrujyamayanam Tapas Srotamsi Jingire Hladini Pavani Chaiva Nalini Chayat Tathapara Hladini Pavani Nalini. So 3 names she has got. These 3 names, Sapta Sindhus basically. Hladini, Pavani Chaiva Nalini Tathapara, these 3 have gone. Trisaha Prachim Disah Jagnu, they went to east direction. Gangas Chivajala Subhaha Suchakshus Sita Cha Sindhus Chaiva Mahanadhi. Suchakshu, Sita, Sindhu. These 3 parts went to west Mahanadi. త్రిస్యశ్వేతా దిశంజగ్ము ప్రతీచీంతు శుభోదకాః సప్తమీ చాన్వగత్తాసాం భగీరథ మధోనృపం. సో ద సెవెంత్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బిందు సార, there are sapta sindhus have come. 3 went to east, 3 went to west, 1 went south. Bhagiratha. Bhagirathopi rajarshi divyam syandanamastitah pradayagre mahateja gangamtam chanyamavrajat. So Bhagiratha started leading Ganga. It started going along with him, behind him. Gaganat tato dharanimasrita వ్యసర్పత జలం తత్ర తీవ్ర శబ్ద పురస్కృతం మత్స్య కచ్చప సంఘైవ సింసుమార గణైస్తథాః పతద్భిః ప్రతితైశ్చాన్యైః వ్యచరోత వసుంధర. So the earth is filled with all this water along with all water animals. So fishes, tortoise, crocodiles, everything have come along with that waters. గణాశ్చంకర మత్స్య కచ్చప సంఘైశ్చ. సో తతో దేవర్షి గంధర్వా యక్షా సిద్ధ గణస్తథా వ్యలోకయంత తే తత్ర గగనాద్గాం గతాం తథా గగనాద్గాం గతాం తథా. సో గంగా, Gita, Ganga cha Gayatri, Gam, 3 gas. So Ganga has started. Deva, Rishi, Gandharva, Yaksha, Siddha, all these ganas have seen and they have worshipped her. Vimanair, Nagarakarai, Hayair, Gajavaraistadaha, Pari Plavagataischapi, Devatas Tatra Vishtitaha. తతద్భుతతమం లోకే గంగాపతతముత్తమం దిదృక్షవో దేవగణాః సమీయుర్రమితౌజసః సంపతద్భిర్సురగణైః తేషాం చాభరణౌజసాః శతాదిత్యమినా భాతి గగనం గతతోయదం సింసుమారోరగణైః మీనైరపి చ చంచలైః విద్యుద్భిరివ నిక్షిప్తం ఆకాశం అభవస్తదా. So from the Akasa, with all this, Ganga is flowing. People started taking bath, and all the people purifying themselves, they started going into the Devalokas. Pandair Salilaitodai Kiryamanai Sahrada Sharadabhir Rivakirnam Gaganam Hamsa Samplavaihi Kachid Drutataram Yati Kutilam Kochidayutam. Sometimes she goes very fast. Kachid Drutataram Yati Kutilam Kochidayutam Vinatam Kochidadbhutam, Kochidyati Syanaihi. Some places she is very wide, some places she is very fast, some places she is in all kinds of shapes and forms, but sometimes she is very slow. Syanaihi. Asalilena Salilam Kochidabhya Hatam Punaha Muhur Urdhamukangatva Papata Vasudhatalam. తచ్చంకర శిరోభ్రష్టం భూమితలే పునః వ్యరోచత తదా తోయం నిర్మలం గతకల్మషం. తత్ర దేవర్షి గంధర్వా వసుధాతలవాసినః భవాంగపతితం తోయం పవిత్రమితి పప్సుః శాపాత్ పతితా ఏ చ గగనాద్వసుధాతలం కృత్వా తత్రాభిషేకంతే బభూర్గతకల్మషాః. ఈవెన్ పీపుల్ హూ హ్యావ్ గాట్ శాప, by taking bath in her, all the sapas are going, they are all going purified and going away wherever they want. Dhutapapa punasteta toyanadha subhaswata punarakashamabhisya swanlokan pratipedare. They are going to their own lokas. Bhagirathopi rajirsha divyam swandanamastita payadagre mahateja tanganga prishtato swagat. Devas sarishigana sarve దైత్య దానవ రాక్షస గంధర్వ యక్ష ప్రవరాః సకిన్నర మహోరగాః సర్వాశ్చాప్సరసో రామ భగీరథం అథాగనం. సో everyone started following Bhagirath along with Ganga. So great utsava I started. People are going. Mahoragaha sarvaschasaraso rama bhagiratham. So Ganga yato bhagiratho raja tato Ganga yasasvini. Wherever Bhagiratha is going, Ganga is going behind him. జగామ సరితాం శ్రేష్ఠ సర్వపాప వినాశిని తతో హి యజమానస్య యజ్ఞోరద్భుతకర్మణః గంగాం సంప్లావయామాస యజ్ఞవాటం మహాత్మనః. యాస్ షీ గోస్ there is one more obstacle. తస్యాపలేపనం జ్ఞాత్వా. సో Ganga is going, everybody is praying Ganga, worshipping Ganga. Again Ganga is becoming prideful. She went one yajna-vatika. A great rishi is doing yajna. That yajna-vatika has been removed by Ganga. సంప్లావయామాస యజ్ఞవాటం మహాత్మనః తస్యాపలేపనం జ్ఞాత్వా క్రుద్ధో यज्ञातु राघवः अपिबच्छ जलं सर्वं गंगाया परमाद्भुतम् ततो देवाः सगंधर जोह्नु महर्षि. So ततो ही यजमानः जोह्नोर अद्भुतकर्मणः. जोह्नु महर्षि अद्भुतकर्मणः. His name is Johnu Maharshi. He is doing his tapas, his yajna there. So he tato deva, he has taken apibaccha jalam sarvam. All this Ganga he drank it away. Apibaccha jalam sarvam gangaya paramadbhutam. Ganga has disappeared again. Tato deva sagandharva roshayascha suvismitaah pujayanti mahatmanam johunum purusha sattamam. Ganganchapi nayanti sma duhitutve mahatmanaha. So Ganga bowed down to him, saying that I will be your daughter. Duhitrutve, I will be your daughter, leave me. Ganganchapi nayanti sma duhitrutve mahatmanaha tatastushto mahateja srotrabhyam asrusatpunaha. From his right ear he left her. So she is born out of Johnu Maharshi, became Jahnavi. ततस्तुष्टो महातेजा श्रोत्राभ्याम असृजत पुनः तस्मात् जोह्नुसुता गंगा प्रोच्यते जाह्नवीति च. जगाम च पुनर्गंगा भागीरथरथानुगा सागरं चापि संप्राप्ता सा सरित्प्रवरा सदा रसातल उपागच्छत् सिद्ध्यर्थं तस्य कर्मणः भगीरथोऽपि राजर्षिः गंगामादाय यत्नतः पितामहान् भस्मकृतान् अपश्यत् दीनचेतसः अध तद्भस्मनां राशिं गंगा सलिलमुत्तमं प्लावया धूतपाप्मानः स्वर्गं प्राप्ता रघुत्तमा. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 43 सर्गः. We came up to 43rd sarga. So taking all this, it has went to Patala, and the 60,000 Sagaraputras have gone to Swarga. Bhagiratha going forward, how they have gone. Sagatva sagaram raja gangayam sugatastада pravivesa talam bhume yatra te bhasmasat kruta bhasmanyatha plute rama gangaya salilena vai sarva loka prabhur brahma rajanam yadamubravit. So Brahma has come. Tarita narasardula divam yatascha devavat sashti putra sahasrani sagarasya mahatmanaha. So taking the Ganga to the Patala, he has successfully completed his mission. So Tarita Narasadrola, you have transformed those stuck Pitrus, forefathers, to Swarga, onto the proper path again. Tarita Narasudra Dinayyatascha Devat Sashti Putra Sahasrani Sagarasya Mahatmanaha Sagarasya Jalam Ya Loke Yavat Sthasyati Parthiva Sagarasyatmajastan Swarge Sthasyanti Devavat. As long as water remains in this ocean, that long your forefathers will remain in Swarga. Yamancha duhita jeshta tava Ganga bhavishyati. This Ganga will be your daughter also. Bhagirathi. She is known as Bhagirathi also. She will be your jeshta daughter, eldest daughter. Tatkruteena cha namnatha loke syasyati sruta. In Loka she will be known as Bhagirathi, brought by daughter of Bhagiratha. Ganga Tripathaga Rajan Divya Bhagirathi Chicha. So this is being told by Brahma. So Ganga Bhagirathi, Ganga Tripathaga Rajan Divya Bhagirathi Chita Trin Patho Bhavayantiti Tattat Tripathaga Smrata. She will be known as Tripathaga. Ganga Divya Bhagirathi. So she is Divya Nadi, Bhagirathi Nadi, Tripathaga. Pitamahanam Sarvesham Tvamatram Anujadhivaha Kurushva Salilam Rajan Pratignyam Apavarjaya. So you have completed your pratignya, your promise to your forefathers. Ikshvaku basically. Purvakena hi rajan tenati sayasa tada dharminam pravarenapi naisha prapto manorathaha. Your previous kings, even though they tried, they couldn't do it. Tadhai vamsumata tata loke apratima tejasa gangam prabhayatanetum pratigna napavarjita. So Asumanta kunadu Rajarshina Gunavata Maharshi Tejasa Matulya Tapasa Chaiva Kshetra Dharma Stitena cha ದಿಲೀಪೇನ ಮಹಾಭಾಗ ತವ ಪಿತ್ರ ತ್ರಿಚೇಜಸ ಪುನರ್ನ ಸಂಕಿತಾ ನೇತುಂ ಗಂಗಾಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯಿತಾನಘಃ. ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್ ದಿಲೀಪ ವುಡ್ಂಟ್ ಡು ಇಟ್. ಸಾ ತ್ವಯಾ ಸಮತಿಕ್ರಾಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞಾ ಪುರುದರ್ಷಭ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತೋಸಿ ಪರಮಂ ಲೋಕೆ ಯಶಃ ಪರಮಸಮ್ಮತಂ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕೀರ್ತಿ. ಯಶಃ ಪರಮಸಮ್ಮಿತಂ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಭಗೀರಥ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋನ್. ಯಚ್ಚ ಗಂಗಾವಚರಣಂ ತ್ವಯಾ ಕೃತಮರಿಂದಮ ಅನೇನ ಚ ಭವಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತೋ ಧರ್ಮಪ್ಯಾಯತನಂ ಮಹತ್. Dharma is established by bringing Ganga, by you bringing Ganga onto the earth. Plavayasya tvamatmanam narottama sodocite salile purushavyaghra suchit punya phalo bhavaha. Whoever takes bath in this is the varam given by Brahma, takes bath in Ganga will be suchihi, purified, punya phalo bhavaha. Their punya phalas will come. No new punya will come. Punya phalas will come. The obstacles for getting that punya phala will go away by removing the apunya from suchihi. Pitamahanam sarvesham kurushya jal salila kriyam swasti tejastu gamishyami swam lokam gamyatam rupa. So now you can go back to your lokam. This is all happening in Patala Loka, when final end of Ganga. Ityeva muktva devesa sarvaloka pitamaha yatha gatam tatha gaccham devalokam mahayashaha. So Brahma has gone back to Devaloka. Bhagiradhopi Rajarshi Krutva Salilamuttamam Yathakramam Yathanyayam Sagaranam Mahayashaha. This sounds Valmiki Maharshi again and again, but Yathakramam Yathanyayam in the right approach, right? Yathakramam in the right order, Yathanyayam, what has been said in the Shastras. Yathanyayam Sagaranam Mahayashaha. He performed everything yadhakramam yadhanyayam, all those rituals to be performed. Krutodakas suchiraja supram pravivesaha samudhartho raghusreshta swarajyam prasasasaha pramumodaha lokastvam rupamasadya raghavaha nashtasokha samurdhartho bhaguva vigatadjvaraha. So he has fulfilled, he has made his wishes, everything fulfilled. Yeshate Rama Gangaya Vistarobhitamaya. This is now being told by Maharshi Vishwamitra. Rama Yesha te Rama Gangaya Vistaro Abhihito Maya Swasti Prapnuhi Bhadrante Sandhya Kaloti Vartate. For Rama, now it is now evening. Sandhya Kala is happening. Now we have to do our activity, our karmas, Nitya karmas we have to perform. So this is the Ganga's detailed explanation which I have given to you as you have asked for it. Our Sandhya Kala ativartate. So we should not leave our Sandhya Kala. So let us perform our Sandhya. This is Guru Vishwamitra saying to his Shishya Rama Chandramurti Prabhu. Dhanyam yasasvam ayushyam putram swargamati chacha yasravayati vipreshu kshatriyesh vitareshu cha. So this is the Phalasruti given by Valmiki Maharshi. Whoever, normally Valmiki Maharshi will not give Phalasruti. In the 44th Sarga, end of it, now 3 slokas are said. Dhanyam yasasvam ayushyam putram swargamati ticha yasravayati vipreshu. Whoever listens to this from a wise person, Vipra, wise man. Kshatriyesh vitareshu cha. Whoever listens it, they will get the dhanyam, they will be fulfilled. Yasasvam, they will get kirti. Ayushyam, their lifespan will increase. Putriam swargamati vacha, they will get their progeny, reach swarga. Yat sravayati, whoever listens to this. Priyante pitrastasya, priyante daivatanicha. So, forefathers will be happy. Father's Day is celebrated. Forefathers will be happy. Priyante daivatanicha. Gods or the devatas are also will be happy. Idam akhyanam avyagro gangavataranam subham. With a peaceful mind who listens to this akhyanam, peaceful mind, avyagro, vyagrata, without any passion. Dispassionately listening to this, compassionately listening to this, avyagro gangavataranam shubham. Knowing this story of bringing the Ganga down, shubham, auspicious, who listens to this, priyante, pitarastasya, forefathers, and priyante, devatanicha. Yasrunoti cha kakuscha sarvan kaman avapniyat. Whoever listens to this, sarvan kaman, dharmika kamas, righteous desires will be fulfilled. Sarvan kaman avapniyat, sarve papaha pranasyanti. All the papas will go. आयुः कीर्तिश्च वर्धते. Again repeating, आयुः कीर्तिश्च वर्धते. इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 44 सर्गः. Valmiki Maharshi has put these discussions into this Valmiki Ramayana Mahakavyam. So, based on the right time, yadha karyam, yadha kalam, yadha karyam, yadha nyayam, yadha kalam, yadha vidhi. On this Dasa Papahara Dasimi, I have done this Parayana. There may be a lot of mistakes in reading, sound, mantra, in my concentration, everything. With all these things, let the Supreme, as Brahma ordained, as Valmiki wrote, as Vishwamitra said, may people be purified and get their own punya phalas as explained in this, on this Dasapapahara Dasami. This is also Apalepaha, this pride removal. So there is another Apalepa which happens on this same day. This is the 10th day of Jyeshta Masa. Setu Bandhanam also. Samudra, on the other hand, when requested, he will not come until Rama brings his arrow out. So, Apalayapah Samudrasya. So, this Samudra's pride, let me take it away. I will put a bana and make him go away. That's what on this Setu Bandhana day Rama said. And Samudra comes forward and says, this is my nature to fill, so you have to overcome by putting a setu, putting a bridge on top of me. So Nala, Vanara's architect, Nala has constructed the bridge. So the bridge construction also started Setu Bandhanam today. And Hanuman, as per Parasara Samhita, Hanumat, Suvarchala Sahita Hanumat Kalyanam is also today. That all auspiciousness be with one and all the dharmikas gain their punya phalas. With that, swasti. Sarve janaah sukhino bhavantu.